it's weird. We have some guys really firing on all cylinders, and we have other guys that they're off a little bit. You know, we got to figure that out. We want to get the whole team kind of, you know, wrestling at their best. So I don't think we did that tonight by any means.
Corey, what stood out there a little bit was the last shot, the lead shot he took. You know, he doesn't always do that in matches. He shot with like 20 seconds left or something like that. Converted that. Yeah,
you know, the one thing Corey did well was, you know, and I don't really know what stalling is anymore. One guy took 12 shots in a row. He goes out and he was trying to get the scores. You know, he's actively on the attack, and I think if, you know, we did that at some other weights, we would have won.
Your thoughts on Casey?
Casey Davis?
Yeah.
That's a great example. I think Casey took his foot off the gas. You know, he got somewhere in that second period and said, "I'm gonna shut her down," and you can't do that in college wrestling. You know, and so he needs to work on that.
What about Patrick? A lot of scrambles and that, but he came back and got solid at the end there.
Kind of opposite of Casey. I think Patrick finished really strong and maybe went out a little slow. Guy shucked him once, shucked him again. He got in a scramble. You know, the momentum started going his way in the second, but, you know, he's got to be ready in the first period.
Vic,
I think Vic was real solid. I just said to Zeb, Vic was solid. I just need to see more attacks, you know.
Warren, if he doesn't get that fat roll against him in the second period there, it's a different match. But you like the way he attacked him at third period?
Yeah, listen, Warren's, you know, I know it's getting towards the end of the year, but he's still figuring this heavyweight thing out. He's a 97-pounder and wrestling those big guys. He's figuring it out, and, you know, I know he knows what he needs to do, you know, if he wrestles that guy at the EWL tournament. So, you know, he's figuring some things out, so I think he'll be ready.